Don't go to Hong Kong without these essentials. Hello, it's Leo. Here are 4 must-haves when visiting Hong Kong. And no, hindi ito yung typical na power banks, fan, sunscreen, etc. Given na yun eh. Ito yung essentials na specific talaga sa Hong Kong. Let's start with bidet. Majority ng restroom sa Hong Kong walang bidet. And I know a lot of people na malaking bagay yon, hindi sila makapag-CR na walang bidet or at least tabo. So you can bring your own portable bidet, be it manual or automatic, or even yung collapsible tabo if you prefer that. Whatever works for you. Second is socket adapter. Kasi sa Hong Kong, type G yung sa kanila. And most of ours ay type A. So, hindi talaga siya compatible. Ito yung nabili namin doon worth 500 pesos. We had no choice. Isang store lang yung nagbebenta nun, so kailangan namin kagatin. Deadbat na lahat ng phones namin. It's something you can buy in advance for around 20 pesos. So, if I were you, bumili na kayo, wag nyo na kaming gayahin. This next item is important, lalo na sa mga lapitin ng insekto. Insect repellent. In some areas kasi ng Hong Kong, prevalent ang niknik, which leaves red spots and then over time it darkens. Yung nanay ko hindi rin nakaligtas. Sobrang annoyed niyan umuwi siya with insect bites. Most recommended ones na nakita ko sa Facebook groups ay Bite Block and Off Lotion. So check them out because it's better safe than sorry. Lastly, itong item na to, 98% of the Hong Kong residents use this. This is an octopus card. Para siyang beep card but more useful. Kasi aside sa trains, pwede mo na siyang gamitin sa ilang stores for shopping, dining, attractions, as long as may octopus logo. Nabili ko to in advance through Klook, then we conveniently picked it up sa airport. But something to note, they operate from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. only. So if you're gonna book this, make sure that your arrival at the airport is between this window. And for discount, you may use my code Leo sa Lieza Klook. So those are my 4 must-haves when visiting Hong Kong. Follow, like, share, and save this video for your next trip.